In this video, I'll show you how to change the currency display in Phantom Wallet so your balances show in the fiat currency you prefer. First, open the Phantom Wallet app and unlock it with your password, Face ID, or fingerprint. You'll land on the main portfolio screen where you see your tokens and their values. Now we'll go into Settings. On mobile, tap your account/menu icon in the top corner, where you see your wallet name or avatar. On the browser extension, click the Settings gear icon at the bottom of the wallet window. In the menu that opens, look for Settings and tap or click it. Inside Settings, find the option called Currency, Display Currency, or Fiat Currency. This is where Phantom decides which fiat value to show under your crypto balances. Tap Currency and you'll see a list of available options such as USD, EUR, Great British Pounds, and other local currencies depending on your region. Scroll through the list and select the currency you want to use. As soon as you choose it, Phantom will update your portfolio values and token balances to show prices in that new fiat currency. Go back to your main screen and you'll see your totals now displayed in the currency you selected. If you ever want to switch again, just repeat the same steps and pick a different currency. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.